Many people all travel all over the world just to have a better life in overseas. Adult, young, all kind of. And we are losing teachers, losing young people, losing these persons in a country, in our society, is losing possibilities to progress. As you know the word, if you are not progress every day, you'll regress every day. Haiti is a country with no future. No future without you Asians. No future without me. You know what? No future without all of us. There's no Haiti without Asians. Like no change without conscience. And so, Asians know that leaving Haiti has a solution, not a simple option. But my question is, do we have a government? Do we have a country? Are we a free people? So listen, we are slave mentally. We denied by our government. We are an orphan people seeking bread from other fathers' nations. Misery, mistreated by our own fellow in other nations. And you know what? In overseas, we do all kind of things just to survive. We do all kind of things just to have a better life. So, pain is Asians' favorite food. Suffering is our juice by eating pain. Please, help us.